Send it down. Go, pussy.
So for 2 years since I've started this channel, I've been wanting to make a video about this rail specifically. I have skated this rail one other time. I did lip slide, nose grind, and nollie lip slide. Nollie lip slide, that is a trick asking for a sack. I don't know how I did that. That was 4 years ago, back when the park opened, and you still had to wear helmets, so that's how you know it was a really long time ago. The last 3 times that I've been to Van, I have attempted to skate the rail, and the whole process of building up the confidence to be able to skate the rail and taking all the run-ups before I actually go for it is something that I really hate. It's so frustrating for me. So it took me 3 entire days to actually jump on this rail. Here's day 1.
I'm gonna practice on this rail, that'll help.
Go do it!
Yeah, go do it. I'm still recording. Worst dude ever. Jump on the fucking rail, you sack of shit.
Why am I going so fast and I'm so scared?
The cautious, homie.
This is the worst. I'm gonna look at this footage and it's gonna haunt me.
That was insane!
Shut your mouth. Shut your goddamn mouth. Why am I so scared, bro? What the fuck?
You got it right now. Just do it right now. Don't think about it.
Why am I so scared of this rail? Is that like worth it to just fucking do that? Okay, what am I doing, bro? Alright, so celebrate the victory today, the big fear victory. I'm gonna allow myself a marathon line. This before I wouldn't have.
You get 2 tries.
2 tries?
Maybe 1.
Dude, come on, I filmed you all the time.
You never filmed me ever.
This one?
Twisted and rolling.
Okay, so I'm in Huntington Beach, and today I'm meeting up with someone from Destructo. If you guys don't know what Destructo is, if you're unfamiliar, it is a skateboard truck company. He's in talks about getting his YouTube channel up and running and like posting more on there and branching out more into this like internet community. We're just gonna skate. We might film an edit for the Destructo channel. I'll let you guys know what the deal is with that. His name's Tom.
Oh man.
All right, so I'm gonna introduce these guys really quick. This is Tom. This is the guy doing everything at Destructo. This is Andrew over here. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be working on some shit in the future. We're gonna work on a video for their YouTube channel actually, and we're gonna do some other stuff for my channel. I'm gonna throw all this footage in here, but I just wanted to let you guys know that something is coming. But I'm gonna give them like a bigger, more proper shout out in the future when we have that video up on their channel, so you guys can go over there and check that out.
Oh, this shirt. Ooh, you just got necked.
Bro, I don't got my camera on.
Get the strap.
He's strapped.
Hey, wait, tell us what you're doing. What are you doing?
Can someone fix my goddamn glasses, goddamn Mexican? Okay, the plan is to do a falling prank, but being an old man. So what I'm thinking is people are gonna be generous and trying to help me up.
You know they did this on Jackass, right?
Does it look like you give a fuck?
Good.
Are you okay?
I can't film this. Get the fuck out! I can't. What did those people say to you?
Oh, no, are you okay?
He needs to stop looking over here. Oh my fucking god.
His mic fell out and he's holding it in his hand like trying to hide it.
Oh my god. I'm afraid that like some of these people walking by are just gonna like see us fucking pointing cameras. Stop looking over here, bro.
Keeps looking over
I know. He's just like fucking dancing.
I look like a fucking drug addict.
I know. He just looks like a fucking crackhead. Yeah, we got caught. We got fucking caught. We got bounced. We left Jason.
We did leave Jason, so.
Here. We just left him. Get the fuck in here, you stupid idiot. I can't film this shit. Get the fuck out. Dude, I told you they were gonna catch us if you kept looking at us like that and giving us hand signals.
Goddamn camera!
No one wants to see this fucking ollie. You missed the rail by like 8 feet. Piece of shit, Dale. You're fucking trash. You're worst yet.
Hey, Dale, you suck.
You're fucking worst dude ever. Jump on the fucking rail, you sack of shit.
You're white and you're bald, you have a small dick. Oh, here it goes.
Go! Right here! Oh my god, it's like... Actually, he's gonna jump on this one. That's enough, right here. Dale, just right here, it's over. Right now. Don't think about it, just go right now. Don't think about it, just go right now. Send it, send it, send it, send it, send it, send it.
No.
Send it.
You're the worst filmer in the entire world.
Send it, send it, send it. Send it, send it, send it. But send it.